Sa Vidyaya Vimuktaye. Knowledge which leads to liberation. Liberation from illiteracy. Liberation from inequality. Engineering is the application of sciences, solving humankind problems using resources from the nature. Government Polytechnic Palanpur liberates society with its engineering knowledge since 1984. It is located in the outskirts of Palanpur, an ancestral city of diamond merchants and a birthplace of sixth sense innovator Pranav Mistry. Government Polytechnic Palanpur is surrounded by nature with a variety of medicinal trees like arjun, neem, gooseberry and many more. It is a home for a variety of birds including peacock, kingfisher, woodpecker, owls and eagles. Institute contributes to reduce carbon footprint by installing rooftop solar system generating 41 megawatt of green energy every year. It is spread across 19 acres of land comprising of various academic blocks, ensuring excellent teaching and learning environment. It is affiliated to Gujarat Technological University and approved by AICTE under the guidance of Commissionerate of Technical Education, Government of Gujarat. Government Polytechnic Palanpur is the leading diploma institute in student startup and innovation projects with 3 registered patents.
Our nation's motto, Make in India, Made in India, is the main triggering force of innovation given by our Honorable Prime Minister. It is my pleasure to be a principal of the leading diploma institute with A grade in the student startup and innovation projects. It is our pride to have 3 patents registered so far. Our institute is not only excelling student development in academics, but our every effort is made its holistic development through extracurricular activities like yoga, NSS, sports, various day celebration, Gujarat traditional Garba and many such activities. This institute envisions to produce competent diploma engineer as per the need of industries and entrepreneur with ethical values. Government Polytechnic Palanpur aims to provide industry-oriented technical education, excellent teaching and learning environment, promote entrepreneurship activities and continual growth in every sphere of life by developing core human values.
It offers 5 diploma programs: Diploma in Mechanical Engineering, Diploma in Electrical Engineering, Diploma in Civil Engineering, Diploma in Electronics and Communication Engineering, and Diploma in Instrumentation and Control Engineering. Every institute makes a strong foothold by its infrastructure. Government Polytechnic Palanpur also carves the career of aspiring engineers by providing its smart classrooms, computer labs with high-speed internet connectivity, drawing hall enhancing students' technical skills, workshop where students get skills to play with machines and make jobs, well-furnished and secure independent girls and boys hostel with security guards providing safety 24/7, hostel with mess providing healthy food at economical rates, solar water heater and facilities for recreation. Lush green campus, large sports ground, providing opportunity to the students for their all-round development. Well-equipped auditorium, providing room for various events like seminars, workshops and mega events. Library, a treasure of knowledge with over 17,000 volumes, e-books, handbooks and magazines, providing space to explore books. Canteen, refreshing everyone with its tasty dishes and hot tea, giving students a pace to make their social times. Language lab, assisting budding engineers communicate better in English.
Hello, a very warm welcome to English Language Laboratory of Government Polytechnic Palanpur. I am Dr. C.S. Pandya. Have been working as a lecturer in English at Government Polytechnic Palanpur since 2011. I am an in charge of this language laboratory. This language laboratory helps the students to learn any foreign language in a scientific way, especially English, which is one of the subjects they have to learn in first semester. English as a subject is offered to all the students of first semester of all the branches. This lab has computers, microphones, charts, other audio visual aids and other soft copy material which can be used by the students to sharpen their listening, speaking, reading and writing skills. It will really help the students to enhance their knowledge of English language received in the classrooms, and here we provide the platform to them to put them in a practice. This lab has bisect videos created by DT Gandhinagar. We allow the students to watch those videos and get the better understanding of the subjects. Also, this laboratory has internet facility, so online resources and other online platforms can be used for development of learning language skills. For example, online labs is one of the online platform where certain exercises are there which can be used by the students for language. This lab is also used for CPD, that is Contributor Personality Development course in second semester to all students of all branches. Thank you.
Well-qualified faculties are the assets of a technical institute. Government Polytechnic Palanpur is having 73 well-qualified faculties sharpening the young minds, answering their curiosity practically, applying theoretical knowledge. Though the institute is located in border area, it has 4 faculties with doctorate in science and humanities and 1 faculty with doctorate in engineering and 43 postgraduate faculties.
Hello, welcome to the Science and Humanities Department of Government Polytechnic Palanpur. I am Dr. Mahesh Eptak, lecturer in chemistry and in charge head of the department. Science and Humanities Department deals with the teaching of subjects like chemistry, physics, mathematics and English for first year diploma engineering students. Department has 2 staff rooms and 3 laboratories: chemistry laboratory, physics laboratory and language laboratory. All laboratories are well equipped. There are 5 faculty members in our department, 2 from chemistry discipline, 1 from physics discipline, 1 from mathematics discipline and 1 from English discipline. All faculty members are well qualified and well experienced. They are enthusiastic and dedicated to achieve the vision of the institute.
Namaste. A warm welcome to Chemistry Laboratory of Government Polytechnic Palanpur. This is Dr. Jigna Modi, Faculty in Chemistry. This laboratory is for first semester of Diploma Electrical Engineering students and second semester of Diploma Civil Engineering students. In our chemistry laboratory, many equipments, glassware, chemicals and different charts are here. With the help of these glasswares, students carried out experiments, various types of experiments related to volumetric analysis like acid-base titration, redox titration, iodometric titration and water hardness measurement, etc. Measurement of flash point and fire point of lubricating oil is carried out with the help of Penske-Martin apparatus. Measurement of metal in different mediums is also carried out. Measurement of pH of unknown solutions by pH strip method, universal indicator method and pH meter is carried out here. Here it is electronic balance to weigh chemicals. Measurement of moisture content of coal by proximate analysis method is carried out by hot air oven. With the help of these laboratory sessions, students should be able to better understand properties of engineering materials and some basic chemical reactions so that they can use their knowledge to solve engineering problems.
Myself Dr. Bhupendra Kumar B. More. I am working as a lecturer in Physics, Science and Humanities Department, Government Polytechnic Palanpur. I did my PhD in crystal growth in solid state physics. I welcome you in our physics laboratory. I am in lab in charge of this laboratory. Physics subject is offered to the first year students as per Gujarat Technological University curriculum. Physics laboratory is a place where experiments of physics are carried out. As we know, physics is that branch of science where experimentation is an integral part of the core subject. The laboratory aims to enable students to learn physics theories in a more elaborative manner with the involvement of its application. The experiments carried out are mostly the ones in coherence with the curriculum. There are various experiments like least count of vernier calipers and micrometer screw gauge and take measurements by its surface tension of water, viscosity of liquid, Young modulus of elasticity, force constant of spring, relation between the length of a stretched string and the tension in it with the help of a sonometer, surface area versus volume ratio, etc. of engineering physics. Also, experiments like least count of vernier calipers and micrometer screw gauge can take measurement by its Ohm's law, series and parallel resistance, Wheaton bridge, find frequency of AC mains by sonometer, PN junction diode, VI characteristics, surface area versus volume ratio, etc. of basic physics also carried out in this lab. After conducting experiments in physics lab, students will be able to understand the fundamental knowledge of physics and its applications relevant to various streams of engineering and technology, to apply principles and concepts of physics for solving various engineering problems, to follow the principle used in the physical properties, its measurement and selections. Thank you.
Namaste. Welcome to Government Polytechnic Palanpur Library. Myself Kinjal Patel, working as a lecturer in Instrumentation and Control Engineering Department and Library in charge of Government Polytechnic Palanpur. We have 3 staff in library. Total number of books available in the library are 17,788 and number of titles available in the library are 3,988. Total 17 numbers of journals, magazines and periodicals subscribed by the library. Also, we have 371 e-books in the library. We provide e-library facilities to the students, in which we have 4 to 5 internet connected PCs from which student can access e-resources with local network facility. Our library has also a blog from which student can access e-resources other than available in the library. We have one membership of National Digital Library of India, so student can access e-resources from NDLI also.
Institute provides industry-oriented technical knowledge by organizing workshops, expert talks, and industrial visits. This institute provides excellent teaching and learning environment with its modern equipments, instruments like 3D printer, well-equipped workshops. Atmanirbhar Bharat, values of entrepreneurship is imbibed in young minds from the first semester itself through our highly motivated SSIP cell by events like innovation challenges, offering special courses, motivational talks and mega technical events. New Palanpur for New India.
Welcome to our SSIP cell cum entrepreneurship cell. Myself Brijesh Patel, lecturer in electrical department and Institute SSIP coordinator. Our entrepreneurship vision is to build a successful entrepreneur by innovation for New India. And to achieve our vision, we conducting the different event like 3 days boot camp for our first semester, second semester, third semester students, as well as we conducting the boot camps and events for the nearby school students. We also conducting the online webinars, online course like game development course, app development course, and we our student participating in events, state level events as well as national level events like hackathon, Sansadhan hackathon. We successfully developed innovation and startup ecosystem in our institute, and we got 29th rank in all the institute of Gujarat as well as first rank in all the polytechnics of Gujarat for developing the innovation and startup ecosystem in our institute. Our student making good quality of projects like device for the blind people, drone for the disaster management system, cup washing machine, 3D printed parts, smart switchboard, smart rotary switchboard, which will be very useful for the industrial application as well as in the society. Our student also filed 3 patents for smart switchboard, for design of smart rotary switchboard, for design of water alarm tap, and one more patent we are going to file shortly for the machine of cup washing device. Under SSIP cell, recently we registered 3 startups for One startup is making a smart switchboard and giving a training to the different students on the automation and IoT. One more startup is registered for the design of related to design of smart alarm tap, cup washing device. One more startup named as a Mahant is student is designing the different app and website for the different institute for the different application.
Nation first. Societal responsibilities and core human values are nurtured in students by NSS and extracurricular activities. Even in the hard times of pandemic, NSS volunteers were standing hand in hand with police to spread awareness among citizens. To save Mother Earth, activities like paper bag making and tree plantation is also carried out. Government Polytechnic Palanpur maintains training and placement cell to help students to prepare for their job quest. Fine-tunes final year students with finishing schools. Many MNCs come to Government Polytechnic Palanpur for campus placements to get well-groomed and compatible diploma engineers, meeting their expectations. It plays a major role in district-level mega placement fair.
Welcome to Training and Placement Cell of Government Polytechnic Palanpur. Myself ID Chaudhary, lecturer in Electrical Engineering and working as a Training and Placement Officer of Government Polytechnic Palanpur. The placement cell of Government Polytechnic Palanpur mainly works on three aspects. One is availability, second is management, third is effectiveness. A separate space is provided for the placement cell and it has enough computing facility and furnitures. The placement cell execute all its activities through 6 members. One is Training and Placement Officer, second is Assistant Training and Placement Officer number 1, third one is Assistant Training and Placement Officer number 2, and 3 other departmental coordinators. These 3 departmental coordinators establish a strong communication link between placement cell and other departments. The placement cell organizes its placement activity either through on-campus or online mode. In addition to this, placement cell also participating actively in the placement fair being organized by the Education Department of Gujarat State at different district level in the year 2019, 2020 and 2021. Among 3 events of placement fair being organized in 2019, 2020 and 2021, the Government Polytechnic Palanpur is appreciated twice for their outstanding performance. Now, as far as the effectiveness is concerned, the average placement for the 3 year of civil department is 57.3%. The average placement of mechanical department for 3 year is 68.66%, and the average placement of the electrical engineering for 3 year is 66%. The average placement of institute for the 3 year is 69%.
When you come out of Government Polytechnic Palanpur, you find yourself a completely changed person and a compatible engineer.
Hello, I am Krishna Panchal. I am currently studying in Electronics and Communication Engineering in LD College of Engineering, Ahmedabad. I have completed my 10th with only 65% and completed my diploma from Government Polytechnic Palanpur with 9.7 SPI. And this is the reason for which I have got admission in LD College of Engineering, which is the dream college for many students who wants to do engineering. This has become possible because of the efforts given by the faculties of the Polytechnic Palanpur College. This college not only focus on academics but also supports the students to develop their skills and which is helpful for their all-round development. This college also organizes extracurricular activities such as finishing school, Navratri celebrations and sports weeks, etc. Thank you.
मैं धवल नाई डिप्लोमा मैकेनिकल 6 सेमेस्टर अभी पास आउट हुआ हूँ 2021 में। 2018 में मैंने यहाँ पे एडमिशन लिया जीपी पालनपुर में और अच्छे मार्क्स और अच्छे एसपीआई से यहाँ से पास आउट भी हुआ। यहाँ के फैकल्टीज़ और सब टीचर्स बहुत हेल्पफुल है, हमें बहुत हेल्प मिली क्योंकि यहाँ पे स्टडी के अलावा कई और भी एक्टिविटीज़ होती है जैसे कि स्पोर्ट और इनोवेशन की सेमिनार, वेबिनार और बहुत कुछ होता है। यहाँ तक भी हमने लॉकडाउन में भी हमारी स्टडी रुकी नहीं, ऑनलाइन क्लासेस वगैरह सब चालू थे और सेमिनार वो भी होते थे, तो हमने वहाँ पे भी बहुत काम किया है। और SSIP जो हमारे कॉलेज में है तो वहाँ से भी हमें बहुत सपोर्ट मिला। यहाँ के फैकल्टीज सभी बहुत हेल्पफुल है और हमें यहाँ से पास आउट होकर संतुष्ट हम है कि हमें यहाँ से जो 3 साल में जो सीखना चाहिए था वो हमें बहुत कुछ सिखाया हमने और हमारे लिए ये बहुत हेल्पफुल रहेगा। सो थैंक यू to Government Polytechnic Palanpur.
My name is Nazneen Mansoori. I have passed out 2018 Diploma Electrical in GP Polytechnic Palanpur. Campus interview, I was selected in GE Power India Private Limited multinational company in Sanand location, Ahmedabad based. I am working here from 3 years. My post is Specialist of Power System Engineers. I have achieved a lot here and during 3 years have got many medalists, gold medalist and silver medalist in global level. Right now I am handling 2 departments and with me are some 65 members. I work and after working here I am also complete BTech. I am in my last year of BTech that I got lots of benefit in my career in my college.
Government Polytechnic Palanpur gives an edge to the young minds, a career as you assure and a secure future. We welcome you to Government Polytechnic Palanpur, imparting knowledge for liberation.